Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are continuing the series of Good, Better, Best today. And in today's video, we're going to use Greenery Lane. So I've got basic gray to stamp the outline of all the flowers or leaves. I've got Lost Lagoon to do the larger, rounder leaves. And then I've got soft sea foam for the two smaller stamps. And then Flirty Flamingo to do the little flowers with a Flirty Flamingo card base. So for this one, what I did is I just cut a 1x2 piece of like writing paper and masked off the middle and stamped around it. And then added in some of those brushed brass butterflies. It is Thursday, so Throwback Thursday. And we stepped it up a little bit by stamping the greeting and cutting it out with one of the silhouettes. What are they called? Today I can't remember anything. The Stylish Shapes. Sorry, it's the Stylish Shapes die. And then popping up some of those little flowers. And again, adding in our brushed brass butterflies. So on the card today, I'm going to be doing a pretty similar thing. I'm just going to be, instead of stamping directly onto the card, I've stamped and die cut out the small flowers, but I am going to be stamping the large leaves here. So I'm just going to come in and I'm going to stamp one down like that, and then one over in this direction here, and then like that, and then like that. Okay, so we've got that done. I'm going to come in with my Lost Lagoon and fill those in. And I haven't used kind of ribbon or linen thread or anything like that on these cards, and you absolutely can. The reason I haven't is because I don't have any. I have an order coming. It'll be here Friday, but not in time to make these videos. So we are simply working with the embellishments that I have on hand. So I'm just going to go around, fill in this last one. And if the stamping isn't exact, it's not a big deal. These are meant to be more of a kind of a whimsical type piece. So what I need to do now is I'm going to dimensionalize the greeting in the middle, because I'm going to build everything around the greeting. So I'm going to pop the greeting in the middle like this. There we go. And I need some adhesive. I have put a dimensional on the top of each of these, but I'm adding a little bit of adhesive. So it'll flat mount at the bottom, but be lifted up at the edge, and that adds a little bit of depth. With this one, it's stamped directly on the paper. This one is also stamped directly on the paper. This one, we're lifting it up a little bit. Just adding a little bit of depth, just a little bit more detail. I'm going to pop this one in. I'm going to put this one in over here. I'm just trying to match what I did on this card here, just so that I know I've got everything I need going on. So I'll add that little bit of adhesive. And we'll pop this one up here like this. And then we're going to come in with the Flirty Flamingo, and we are going to do some stamping with the Flirty Flamingo. I'm going to pop that one down like that. And I think I did 3 of these. There's 3 on this one, and only 1 of these, and 2 and 2. But I think I need just a little bit more up here. So I'm just going to add in another one here, because I've got it. And just kind of fill a little bit of that space in there, like that. Okay? So now I'm coming in with the Flirty Flamingo and the stamp. And I'm just going to come in and just add some flowers in, just kind of adding in that little bit of color. And I think I'll put a couple there. And then I think I'm just going to pop a couple in down there like that. Okay. So I have also, sorry, excuse my voice today. I've also used the, this stamp with the 2 flowers on it to stamp. And then there are 2 dies that will cut these out all at the same time. So I'm just going to pop one there like that. And then one down here like this. You can put these wherever you like. I've got on the little ones, they were a little bit too small for a dimensional, so I just put an adhesive dot on them. I'm going to put one there like that. And even them just being stamped on another piece of cardstock and popped up, they add the dimension as well. So let's go ahead and put this on our card base, and then we'll add our butterflies and we'll be all done. So we've got our card base. I've got it opening the correct way. We'll pop this down like this, and then we'll add in our butterflies. So again, the colors that I used are the Basic Gray, Lost Lagoon, Soft Seafoam, and Flirty Flamingo. So, and I think this one, I might just put one of the butterflies on there. So those are our 3 cards. We've got the good, and sometimes good is good enough. And we've got better, and then we've got best, with just that extra detail with those, you can see the dimension in the leaves. So thank you so much for watching. We've got one more good, better, best video. And if anybody has any ideas about other videos that they would like to see, then please let me know in the comments and I will see what I can do. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.